Hey, what's up guys? Today is a happy day if you speak Korean. But if you don't, you can go on to Amazon's website and then see that it's a happy day because we're testing the Happy Day mask. Let's get into it and stop yapping. Okay. Maybe we're testing this mask. Oh man. I went on Amazon and I typed in scissors that are unreasonably large, and that's what this is what came. There you go. You can do it too. I'll put a affiliate link on the bottom. Just kidding. None of my links are affiliate links because I clearly hate money. All right, let's open this up. I forgot what I was doing for a second. Testing masks. I always got to remind myself of that. Oh, look, an actual KF94. This is a KF94. One of my favorite styles. A fine young gentleman by the name of Aaron Collins, who has a way larger following of mask nerds than me, showed me the KF94. So KF94, Korean format, very excited. You can buy so many of these on Amazon now. In fact, I'm so happy you would say that today is a happy day. Keep it going? Okay, 25 pieces. So here's what I love about KF94. KF94 is not often counterfeited just because it's a Korean standard and it has to be made in Korea. And the Korean FDA is regulating these masks because it's on Korean soil. And is Korea large? Is it a large country? Yeah, I've seen better. I've seen better on the earlobes. It's about the population of Texas, but I'm actually not sure about the land mass. It seems to be that the Korean FDA is really good at policing their manufacturers. Okay, this is interesting. This is like a little higher than I'm normally seeing with it, and it feels like a lighter mask. Okay, so the nose wire is, I want it to be stronger. I feel like I'm getting like a leakage here. But the smell is almost non-existent. It's barely there, a slight plasticky smell. I often say that the Korean KF94 smells kind of like a campfire burning plastic. This is like barely a campfire burning plastic smell. Really great breathability. I was just glancing at that. And no drama today, 99.489%. Gotta love that, 99.489%. 135 pascals on the breathability, just in case you need to know. 150, that's about the max you want to see if you want to be able to breathe in that sucker all day long, and this one is going to be good. Our surgical masks test at 125 to 135. So this is a really like from a pure like numbers standpoint, this is a good mask. And they're about $1 a piece. They come in this beautiful single packed, well, the packet, I mean, this is weird. I don't know what's going on with that. They're just kind of flopping all over the place, but other than that, pretty good mask. Happy day when you get the Happy Day masks. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next test.